beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the absolute state of my face and the title of this video is a complete and utter fail. Complete and utter fail. We're going to be putting it's a funny one to watch though, we're going to be putting the Revolution Flamingo Face and Shadow Palette to the test, which you'll have seen in my giveaway, which is still live. I'm doing a new video every single day in August, so I'll hopefully see you tomorrow 6 o'clock UK time for a brand new one. If you are new, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave some funny comments down below because this video is just an absolute mess, and I'm literally going to take this straight off because I'm not even going to do the other eye and put a full face of makeup on to literally wipe it off again. So yeah, we are doing a tutorial. Wait, I can't even open it now. I cannot even open it. We are going to be doing a tutorial with this palette that I can't open anymore. Let's just get straight into the absolute mess of this video. Let's just go. So I'm going to start by applying the P. Louise base. This is just the original packaging one, so it's in the shade Rumour number 2. And I'm just going to tap this all over the lid, just using a fluffy concealer brush. It's my first time putting any eyeshadow on with my lashes on, and I don't know how I'm going to do this. I think it's going to be quite difficult. So I'm going to be starting off with kind of a fluffy pencil brush, if that makes sense. And I'm going to go in with this darker shade in the palette. Just looks like this. In this palette, there's like 2 mattes and the rest are all shimmers. So I feel like you are quite limited with what you can do with it. I wish there was maybe one less shimmer, maybe like not this middle darker one, and a darker, maybe that colour but just not shimmery, just so you can actually deepen up the outer corner, because you're literally going to have like a crease, a kind of transition colour, and then you're going to have to go straight in with a shimmer. So it's not the best, although the colours in this palette is just beautiful. So I'm going to go in with that darker shade, and I'm literally just going to tap this into the crease. I'm going to try and do it with my eye open a little bit, just so I can see how high it's going to be, so I know that it's actually going to be visible when my eyes open, because I have got quite hooded eyes. So this colour isn't as pigmented as what it looks like in the pan, like it's not as dark as what you would think, even when you kind of pack it on a little bit as well. So I'm just trying to like pack it onto my crease and blend it a little bit, but it blends in really nicely. It's just isn't very pigmented. And then I'm going to be taking the Kit Stars S30 small tapered blender brush, and I'm going to go in with that lighter pinkier shade. I was going to do a cut crease, but I don't actually think it's going to be possible with these lashes that I've got. I think I might have to maybe skip out on some one palette tutorials just whilst I have these lashes on, and then when I get them removed, go back to doing tutorials, because I think it's just hard. I can't really see like 100% what I'm doing, and I'm scared in case I kind of make any of them fall out that they didn't need to, or get any kind of like eyeshadow on it. So I'm literally just blending that colour out. To be honest, they've literally blended together and they look like the exact same colour. They don't even look like there's much of a colour difference between the two. So I'm going to continue to keep applying these, blending them out until I get to some kind of pigmentation that I like, because at the moment it's not impressing me compared to that other one that we tried last week. This is obviously the Flamingo egg, whereas the other one was the Chick egg. That one was so much better, and I feel like they had a better variation between matte and shimmers. There was like one shimmer, one pressed pigment, and then the rest were matte. So I just feel like this one now just looks like it's just literally one eyeshadow blended on my crease. Oh look, there's an eyelash that's fell out. Yeah, I'm not enjoying this. I think I'm only going to do one eye today because I don't really want to be putting loads of eyeshadow and stuff on. So I think I'll just do one eye and I'll show you what it looks like. And then we'll take it off, because I really don't want to ruin these eyelashes. They cost me, oh look, there's one eyelash in my palette as well. They cost me a lot of money. So I'm also going to take that darker matte shade and pat this on kind of like the outer part of my lid, because obviously we haven't really got another colour to deepen that outer crease up, or like the outer part of the lid. So we're literally going to have to use the same one, and I'm just going to put my glitter, one of the shimmer shades, on with my finger instead of kind of doing a cut crease, because like I said, I don't want to ruin these lashes. So I'm going to take the light pink for the shimmer, and I think I'm just going to do it with my finger and then use a brush for the little places that I can't reach. Ooh, it's actually a lot pinker than what I thought it was going to be. So I've just been looking at the box there to see if there's any pressed pigments in this one, and apparently shade 4, 6 and 3 and 5 are pressed pigments. So that means the pink highlighter, the big one at the top, is a pressed pigment. It also means that the darker colour, the pink and the lighter, so both the mattes and the shimmer that we're putting on are all pressed pigments, and so is the pink highlighter in the top, which I'm quite shocked by because they don't seem to be that kind of pigmented. Oh my god, that is just atrocious. So I actually have this palette in my giveaway. I don't know why it keeps losing focus. I actually have this palette in my giveaway for one of you guys to win, and the obviously cheek one that I did last week. Oh my god, I really hope that it works better for you, because this is just not working for me at all. That looks disgusting. It looks so ugly. I'm going to try and go in with the darker colour, which is just going to look at a mess as well, because the shimmer is darker than the matte colours that we have. So it's just going to look an absolute mess, but we'll just see if it's any better than that hot pink that I've just put down. Yes, it is a little bit better. A little bit, not much. Oh my god. But a little bit. It just looks a mess, and I think I'm just going to end it here. I think I'm just going to take this as a complete and utter fail, and now my camera's not even focusing on my face anymore. There we go, thank you. Yeah, I think I'm just going to call this one a day and just say, didn't work for me. I hope it works for whoever wins my giveaway. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Bye.